Hello everyone and welcome back to Simply Biology. Today we're going to be focusing on probably one of the most important molecules we have here on planet Earth, water. Now as you can see, it is merely just a hydrogen bonded to an oxygen bonded to another hydrogen, but altogether this molecule is so important and helps all humans and all other organisms to survive. Firstly, we have the chemical composition. So as I've just said, water consists of two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded to one oxygen atom. So as you can see, I've drawn another diagram, but this time I've included dipoles. So it means slight negative charge on the oxygen and the slight positive charge on the hydrogen. This makes water an overall polar molecule due to the differences in electronegativity of the oxygen compared to the hydrogen. Electronegativity simply means the ability of an atom to attract the bonding pairs of electrons in a covalent bond. So between this oxygen and this hydrogen, there's a covalent bond where each of the atom is donated or is sharing one electron. The oxygen has a greater electronegativity, so it pulls these two electrons in this covalent bond closer towards the oxygen atom, and the same occurs on this side. Therefore, since electrons are a negative species, this causes a slight negative charge on the oxygen atom and will in turn cause a slight positive charge on the hydrogen atoms. It is due to this polarity that water has been given very intriguing and interesting characteristics. One of these characteristics is the ability of the water molecules to form hydrogen bonds with one another. So a hydrogen bond is formed between a lone pair on the highly electronegative oxygen atom and the electron deficient hydrogen atom. So as you can see, I've drawn up one water molecule, two water molecules, showing the oxygen with a lone pair, and as a hydrogen bonds forms between this oxygen atom of this molecule and this hydrogen, or the slight positive hydrogen of the other water molecule. So together, all these hydrogen bonds are very, very strong and it requires a large amount of energy to overcome. Therefore, the water molecule has a very high boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius. Water also has very other intriguing properties, such as it is very good solvent. So this means that water is able to dissolve any polar solute, such as salt, NaCl. This is because the water molecules are polar and are able to interact with other charged particles and dissolve them. Water also has a high specific heat capacity. This just means a large amount of energy is required to increase the temperature of the water by 1 degree C. So this provides a stable environment for aquatic life, and it's also important in the regulation and homeostasis of internal body temperature. In addition, water has a high heat of vaporization, which means as water evaporates, it has a cooling effect, and this is important as it leads to heat loss through sweat. And finally, we have cohesive and adhesive properties of water, such as the hydrogen bonds, the ability to bond to other water molecules, and this is important in petroleum fluid in the lungs and also the transpiration stream that forms through the xylem vessel of plants through a process of transpiration. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you've learned about the importance of water in order to sustain life on Earth. Thank you for watching. See you soon.